Welcome everyone. Today we are going to join with Kundanji from Assistant Secretary Plurals. Sir, welcome you to our channel Yuva Hits. Sir.
Namaste, welcome. Thank you so much.
Sir, these days Plurals name is coming in fame, sir. What is the vision behind this, sir? Vision behind this.
See, before this, first of all, I want to say that Bihar was visionless. Before this, before the Plurals arrived in Bihar, it was visionless. The people who were working in Bihar, they were not having the vision to just accelerate the development of Bihar. So, ultimate Pushpamji came and she has come with a vision that yes, we need to accelerate the growth of Bihar. We need to accelerate the growth of industry. We need to accelerate the growth of education. In every sector, we need to accelerate. That's why Pushpamji has come with a big and very vast vision. And we are having our Ghoshna Patra also. So, according to Ghoshna Patra, we'll do everything. The people, that Ghoshna Patra was, everything was mentioned after having discussion with the people of villages. So mostly Ghoshna Patra is coming, and every question you are asking, every question answer that is related in that Ghoshna Patra.
My question is how Pushpam Chaudhary Priya ji, one single woman, is going to do all these 243 constituencies. How she is going to speak all these 243?
She has decided to fight on 243 seats, but you know, there is no party in India, or there is no party in Bihar, even national parties or Bihar state parties, they don't have guts, they don't have dare to fight on 243 seats. But a woman from London School of Economics, she has decided to fight 243 seats. It's a not very easy task to fight on 243, or a vision with a 50% partnership with the women of 122 seats for women. That is very difficult task, but she has decided to fight on all these 243 seats because we have the workers, we have efficient workers, we have eligible workers, we have skillful workers, we have a great IQ workers.
Do you think, sir, that within these 30 to 40 days will she be able to collect all these volunteers from all 243 constituencies?
Yes, we already have so many workers. Everyone in Plurals, they are working with the agenda that yes, we are working to change Bihar. They are not meaning anything, they are only working to change Bihar, and they are fully in support of Plurals and Pushpamji, that Pushpamji is becoming CM of this state and she'll change Bihar. They are working on that.
Can you please explain the meaning of plural to our
viewers? Yeah, some days before I have shared that video with the renowned journalist Mr. Sudeep Chaudhary. Plurals means to add everyone, to talk about everyone, to relate with everyone, to communicate with everyone, to check the interest in everyone. Means it's the matter of, it's a talk of all. It's talk of all means it in Plurals everyone is equal and we have to talk about everyone. Sabki baat. Yes.
We know India is a democratic country, and Bihar was earlier known as the god of education, like hub of education.
Yes.
And these decades, this education system has fallen down. And this Corona period also, education has gone down. Do you think that Pushpam Priya Chaudhary will be able to manage all this?
You know, within these 30 years, if you are talking about after 91, how many chief ministers were there? Laluji, Rabriji and Nitishji. 3 chief ministers were there. 2 parties were mainly in the government. Laluji, Rabriji and Nitishji. They are from 2 parties. On what agenda and what policy, on which policy they worked, that within these 30 years, we did not get up. We did not come on front. We were on that time at least at the bottom point. Right now also we are on bottom point. So what was the agenda of working? Just tell the people, tell the public of Bihar that on this agenda I have worked. That's why we are not able to accelerate the education system of Bihar.
Especially I'm talking about this education system, education facility here in
Yeah, first
Bihar.
of all there should be
will be able to give educated candidates.
Yes, we are working on that.
Yeah.
It's a
But the condition of higher education in Bihar is not that good.
it's not true. It's not true. We are producing IAS,
Yeah.
we are producing IPSs,
Yeah.
we are producing
But do
commissioners
you,
and all.
yes,
But why not?
do you think that
Accelerating
people
education
here,
growth.
people here are educated? You are saying people are
Yes,
educated.
we are educated,
But why,
you are educated.
why people are doing crimes like this?
Let me search. Yeah, the plural has come with a vision that I'll search that people that who can lead Bihar, and she's very sincere about that, and she's taking actions on that. We should come with a good leadership quality. We have chosen so many candidates in Bihar, and people are very educated. You can find the candidates' education. They are very educated. Somebody is from education sector, somebody is teacher, somebody is professor, somebody is doctor, somebody is social worker, somebody is marine engineer, somebody is navy commander. Everyone is on that parameter. That should be the candidate should be educated and very literate.
Sir, last question from I want to ask from you. Like, everyone want to study in government colleges, but nobody want to study in government schools. What is the reason behind this?
No, it's not true in India. It's you are saying about the people don't want to study in government schools.
Yeah, but they want to study in government colleges.
There is example of Delhi. The people are very much they are keen interested to send their children to the government schools. Why? The government has changed the policy to develop the government schools. So why
But
not
what
Bihar?
were the conditions
So
here in
why
Bihar,
not the
sir?
Bihar?
Yeah.
And on that point I'm coming. Why not Bihar? What was the policy that government has adopted to accelerate the growth of education in Bihar? Let you tell to the public of Bihar. Let you do it in public domain that what you have done in this 30 years that we did not accelerate ourselves in just one position. Why not? So Pushpam ji, she herself is a very literate woman. She is from London School of Economics. She has done public administration. She has also so many courses in development studies also. So she has a very good IQ and brain. She has come with a vision to accelerate the growth of education.
One more question, Rajesh.
Okay.
This GDP has fallen down during this lockdown period.
Yes.
Nobody is cause for that. How she is going to overtake all this?
Firstly, we have to talk about Bihar. So many sectors are here which are closed permanently. That needs to be open. Pushpam ji, firstly, when she came to Bihar, she went to closed factories and closed industries. Why she went there? She went there because she wants to know why this is closed. What was the government policy to reopen this? Government has never shown the interest to reopen that factories or industry. So she has a good idea about the industry and agriculture growth and everything. She has a good idea about that, and she'll do that. She is having the very good IQ for the agriculture growth and industry, and on everything she can change. I am very fully assured that she can change.
Sir, thank you for giving your
Thank you so
valuable
much.
time to our channel, Yuva Hit. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.